Here's my 3-cheese garlic chicken pasta recipe, brought to you by The Beast. No, not really, but this shit's really good. So we're just gonna grab this and crack this shit open and take a sip because drinking and cooking go together. Let's go. So now we're gonna grab the chicken, about 1.5 pounds, slap that shit down on the cutting board, and then we're gonna poke a shitload of holes in it to tenderize it. Like a lot of holes, tons of holes. Many millions of holes, mainly because you want the flavor to get inside of it and to cook through so you don't get salmonella and die. Enter the crock pot, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cover chicken with garlic parm sauce, any type will do. Put the lid on it, put on low, and chill out for a little bit, about 4 hours, or until cooked. Then you're gonna take out your chicken and just chop that shit up in little tiny cubes, as tiny as possible. Or if you want it shredded, you can do shredded too. I prefer cut. And then we're gonna throw the chicken back in there, because throwing it in is so much more satisfying than placing it. I mean, look at that, clap, 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 clap. Then 2 jars of your choice of Alfredo sauce. 1/2 cup shredded parm, 1 cup shredded mozzarella. Mix it up, about 2 ounces of cream cheese. Lid back on. You can cook your noodles now, waiting for this to cook. Then pour the noodles in, mix it around, put 1 cup grated Parmesan on, and look at that ooey gooey goodness.